friends, welcome to Airdrop Spot. So today's video is about Linea Voyage Wave 3 and we are going to get started. You can access Linea Voyage on intrax.io/linea. You can find the link in the comment section as well. So today's core task is to swap at least $25 worth of Linea ETH into any other token. So to get started, I will tap on the start button. So here are a list of tokens that you can swap your ETH into. However, you want to make sure that you watch this video on full screen because the lettering are very tiny and you cannot see it like this. So you can choose from any of the tokens that are listed here and then swap your Linea ETH into it. As for me, I'll be going for USDC. So I'll tap on next. So here are a list of Linea DeFi partners that you can choose from. We have Sushi, we have WooFi, and a whole lot of them. So you can choose from any of these partners and then use their site to make your swap. Well, I'll be going for Dodo Exchange. So I'm going to open up a new tab and then I'm going to enter link to Dodo Exchange. So it's app.dodoex.io. I'll also have this link pinned in the comment as well. So connect your wallet. So here you are going to choose the chain that you want to swap on. We are interacting with Linea, so I'm going to tap on Linea. And then next you are going to select which wallet you are trying to connect with, and then I'll be going for MetaMask. Tap on next and then connect. My wallet is currently on the Arbitrum network, so I'm going to switch to Linea. So I'll tap on switch network. So I've been able to connect my wallet. Next, I'm going to now perform my swap. So I'll be changing that USDT. I'll be changing it into USDC. That is what I want to swap into. Okay, remember the instruction says to swap minimum of $25. So you are going to enter an equivalent amount of ETH. Actually, it is 0.12, but I am adding just 1 to at the end of that 2, just so that it can increase from $25 a little. Then I'll tap on confirm. So you can see your pending transactions at the top of your screen here, and the swap is successful. So I'll go back to Linea and I'll try to verify my task. Since I used Dodo Exchange for my swap, then I'm going to look for Dodo among all these partners listed here. Then I'll tap on it and then I'll tap on continue. Now I'm going to tap on start verification. Normally, then I will check this tiny checkbox right here, just to verify that truthfully I have completed the task before starting verification. And normally it takes Interact about 50 minutes to be able to verify your task. So I'm going to leave this page open. I'll go ahead doing other things and I'll come back after 50 minutes. So it's 50 minutes later, I am back. I'm going to try to refresh this website. Okay, so the task has been marked as completed for me. You can see it in green here. And I am going to tap on that claim button to claim my reward, which is 150 XP for completing the core task. However, if you have enough funds, you can go about the other tasks that are there to have additional XP. But I do not have, so I'm only going to be attempting the core task only on Linea. However, the last task on the bonus task list does not require any funds, and it only requires you to leave a review on Dap Sherif for any of Linea partners. Linea DeFi partners. So I'm going to do that since it does not require any funds. I will tap on it. Completing this task gives you additional 20 XP. So you may also want to do it. So tap on start, tap on next. Tap on write a review. So we are at dappsheriff.com and you are going to connect your wallet before you'll be able to write any review. At the point of making this video, when I got to this point, I paused my recorder so that I can connect to MetaMask. But after, connecting with MetaMask, I forgot to resume my recorder and I had finished reviewing. I actually reviewed Orbital Finance and I have finished reviewing Orbital Finance before I realized that my recorder was not on. So let me just go back and then you can see a list of dApps that are also Linea partners that you may have used before that you can review. Here is my review. After reviewing, you can decide to mint NFT, but I did not mint any NFT actually. So I'll go back. So here are a list of dApps that you can review. For you to see any dApp listed here, you may have used the dApp before. So it's as simple as reviewing an app on Play Store. Just share whatever opinion you have about the dApp that you want to review. So just share your opinion, then drop any number of stars that you would like to give to them. So that's just all that is required. So when you go back to Interact, you are going to also verify it just like we verify the swapping task, and verification also takes 50 minutes. However, there is a news going around that Kyber Swap has been hacked, so you may want to avoid connecting your wallet. That is what I crossed out just now. Kyber Swap is hacked. Do not connect your wallet to the website. So that's the end of today's video. If you have any questions, drop me a comment in the comment section. And if you have found value in any of my content before, make sure that you give me a like on this video. That is how I can know. Give me a like on this video and also subscribe so that you won't miss out on any future update. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.